I will show you how to preserve fresh tomatoes for the winter. I will wash the tomatoes. I will cut 2 peppers into pieces. I add 5 cloves of garlic to the chop. Parsley. I will shred everything. I chop the vegetables and now I'm going to cut the tomatoes into slices. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I need clean and wash jars. I put 2 tablespoons of minced vegetables in each jar. I arrange tomatoes in jars. Do not fill the jars to the top. I filled the jars and now I'm going to make the dressing. I pour a liter of water into the pot. I add 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar 9%. And I'll mix it all up. I will pour the dressing into the jars to cover the tomatoes. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth at the bottom of the pan. And I arrange the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 35 minutes. We perform pasteurization at a temperature of 80 C. After 35 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. Store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.